Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the Grokstar Trading Room, and maybe your future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had in the Grokstar Room this morning on DDD. Now, DDD had pre-announced that it was going to lower its guidance, and it got punished, down 23% at opening. And then here it is after opening, where it had fallen down here, and now it's rising up in a narrowing pattern known as a rising wedge. So let's take a look at what a rising wedge is. You can just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school, and down below you can look for that for what the description of it is, and then here's a picture of it where it is rising and getting tighter and tighter. And if it falls below this support line, it is bearish. It will fall. It is a bearish pattern. So here it is getting tighter and tighter as it rising up. And if it's ready to break down here, I said let's get an order set ready to go short on DDD. So let's see what happened next. Bam and kabam, there it is. I am now short at $56.22 short DDD. And then it immediately popped back up, and I'm pulling my stop down here just above this support line, and it's still there, and it's now the EMA here is now holding it on the moving averages. So I'm pulling my stop down a little bit more, cut those losers short, and boom, it popped up and got me out at $56.36 for minus 0.2% in 5 minutes. Oh well, sometimes these patterns work out and sometimes they don't. But let's reload and see what happened next. Now is forming what we call a bull pullback here, and it was at the high resistance of $57. So I set an order just above $57, ready to go long if it goes that way. And boom, there it goes. And now I'm long at $57.07. As it, again, I'm letting the market come to me. So let's pull this down and let's see how we go on our long here. Oh, doggies, look at that, keeping my stop just under this 8 EMA, because look at that, this is parabolic, folks. So we're keeping that stop here, trying to keep moving it out, and bam, look at that. It dropped, and it dropped really hard. And I'm out at $58.81 for a total of 3.0% in 21 minutes. Hoo-ah. Now, again, this was a stock that was down over 20%. Anything can happen. And what happened after that? It just kept on going. In fact, if we can press this down, I mean, it continued to run up the rest of the morning, and we made several more trades on it. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that it's much better to wish you were in a trade than wishing you were out. Trade well.